This crochet hat is quick, easy and beginner friendly. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make it in 3 sizes: the small, medium and large. And at the end of the video, I'll show you how to turn the hat into a cute keychain or bag charm, making it a perfect quick gift. Let's get started. I will start with a small size, then just add more rounds to make the medium and large sizes. The first step is to make a magic ring. I'll show you how I make mine, but feel free to use any method of your choice. I already have 1 chain, so I will add 3 more to make a total of 4 chains. Next, I'll make 5 treble crochets. Mark the 3rd stitch. This will be helpful when making the next size. Then make 5 double crochets. Chain 1, make 1 treble crochet, and then mark it. Chain 1 again. Make 5 double crochets. Then 5 treble crochets. Mark the third stitch from the hook. Now we are going to pull the short tail yarn. Chain 4. And then slip stitch into the magic ring. We have completed the small size. If you want to stop here, then push the loop and the hook at the back, chain 1, cut your yarn and fasten off, then weave in the tails. Let me undo the chain 1 so that I continue to the next size, which is the medium size. For the medium size, I am going to just add 1 round of single crochets with specific details in a few places. Add 2 single crochets in the chain 4 space. Then work 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. Add 3 stitches in the marked stitch. Mark the first and second single crochet. This will help when making the large size. Add 1 single crochet in each of the next stitches, and I'll meet you just before the marked lower stitch. In the marked stitch, add 1 single crochet, chain 1, and another single crochet. Continue working 1 single crochet until the marked stitch. Add 3 single crochets. Mark the second and the third single crochets. Continue with 1 single crochet in the remaining stitches. Work 2 single crochets in the chain for space at the end. This is the medium size. Now slip stitch into the magic ring. Push the hook with the loop at the back to continue to the next size. But if you're stopping here, then just chain 1 and fasten off your work. To make the large size, we are going to add 1 round of single crochets with specific details in the marked stitches. Add 2 single crochets in each of the marked stitches. Continue working 1 single crochet and I'll meet you at the bottom where the marked stitch is. In this marked stitch, add 1 single crochet, chain 1, then another single crochet. Continue working 1 single crochet in each stitch until the marked stitches at the top. Place 2 single crochets in each of these 2 marked stitches. Continue with single crochet until the end of the round. Slip stitch into the magic ring. Push the hook to the back. Chain 1. Leave a long tail, then cut the yarn. Pull through to fasten. This is a large size hat. To close this hole, pull the short yarn tail from the magic ring and weave in the tail thereafter. Attach the key ring securely using the long tail and weave in the excess yarn. This is my completed keychain. If you don't have a key ring, you can chain 30, then slip stitch and fasten off. This hat can be designed in so many ways, and I'll share my 9 favorite designs in one of my upcoming videos. Also, look out for my upcoming tutorial about turning the flat hat into a 3D puffy hat. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next tutorial.